Almost there. Understanding close but no cigar in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, close but no cigar. Have you ever heard this expression and wondered what it means, or where it comes from? Well, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together. Close but no cigar is an idiomatic expression used to indicate that someone has almost succeeded in something, but ultimately failed. It's often used in situations where the effort was good, or the goal was nearly reached, but still, it wasn't enough to achieve success. For example, if you guess an answer correctly but with a slight mistake, someone might say, "Close but no cigar." This phrase has a unique history. It originates from the early 20th century, especially in old fairground games in the United States. In these games, like ring toss or shooting games, the prize for winning was often a cigar. So, if someone played the game and came very close to winning but didn't win, the phrase, "close but no cigar," was used to indicate that they were close to the prize but didn't win it. It's a colorful way of saying, almost, but not quite successful. Today, the phrase is used more broadly. It's not just about winning or losing games but can be applied to any situation where someone comes close to achieving something but falls short. For example, if you apply for a job and make it to the final interview but don't get the job, someone might console you by saying, "Close but no cigar." It's a way to acknowledge that you were close to success, even if you didn't fully achieve it. So, there you have it, folks. Close but no cigar, a phrase that charmingly captures the essence of almost, but not quite, making it. We hope this video helped you understand this interesting English idiom. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with little discoveries. Keep exploring, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you next time.